Hey, snack legends! What if I told you there's a way to indulge in insanely delicious treats that actually help you burn fat? Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not. It's Keto Fat Bombs. These little bites of heaven are like having dessert and diet all rolled into one. Stick around, because we're about to turn your cravings into your greatest weapon on the road to health. Welcome to the snack revolution, folks! If this is your first time here, I'm Zen, your guide to all things delicious, nutritious, and slightly rebellious. Today we're unlocking the secret to Keto Fat Bombs. These aren't just any snacks, they're your new best friends on your low-carb journey. Imagine biting into a snack that's so rich, so satisfying, it feels like you're cheating, but you're totally not. High-fat, low-carb, and 100% delicious, these fat bombs will keep you full, energized, and grinning like you just got away with something. Let's snack smarter, not harder. Alright, confession time. Who else has raided the fridge at midnight only to feel like a snack criminal? I mean, sneaking around in your own kitchen like a ninja, hoping the leftover pizza doesn't give you away. We've all been there. But here's the twist. What if I told you there's a way to snack like a boss, even at 2 a.m., and wake up guilt-free? Enter Keto Fat Bombs. These little bites are like a warm hug for your taste buds. And hey, speaking of warm hugs, what's your go-to comfort food? Let me know in the comments. We might just keto-fy it in a future video. Alright, snack masters, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into some seriously tasty Keto Fat Bomb recipes. Ready? Here we go. For our Bacon and Guac Bombs, start by mashing up a ripe avocado until it's as smooth as your best pickup line. Add a splash of lime juice, because life's too short for boring snacks. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. Taste test for perfection. Roll this green goodness into small balls, then wrap each one in a crispy cooked bacon slice. Imagine a sushi roll, but way cooler. Chill these bad boys in the fridge until firm. When you take a bite, you'll hear angels sing, promise. Next up, let's make Cheesecake Fat Bombs. In a bowl, mix softened cream cheese with a dollop of coconut oil. Think of it as a spa day for your taste buds. Add a dash of vanilla extract and a keto-friendly sweetener to taste. It should taste like the love child of a cheesecake and a cloud. Scoop the mixture into silicone molds or roll into balls. Freeze them until they're as solid as your resolve to stay on keto. Pro tip, top with a sprinkle of crushed nuts or a few berries before freezing for extra flair. Finally, the showstopper, chocolate chip cookie dough peanut butter fat bombs. Melt some butter and cream cheese together in a bowl. It's like they're slow dancing at a keto party. Stir in MCT oil and your favorite nut butter. This combo is basically the Batman and Robin of keto snacks. Fold in sugar-free chocolate chips, because let's face it, everything is better with chocolate chips. Roll the mixture into balls and let them chill in the fridge. Try not to eat them all before they're ready. I dare you. Now let's talk benefits, because these fat bombs aren't just tasty, they're secretly good for you too. The avocado in our Bacon and Guac Bombs is packed with heart-healthy fats that keep you satisfied. The cream cheese in the Cheesecake Fat Bombs, it's rich in calcium and gives you that creamy texture that's almost too good to be true. And those chocolate chip cookie dough peanut butter fat bombs? They've got protein, healthy fats, and just enough sweetness to keep you from eyeing the cookie jar. It's like getting away with a heist, but the only thing you're stealing is guilt-free pleasure. Alright, Snack Squad, time for a quick quiz. Which of these fat bomb flavors would you reach for first? Savory, creamy, or sweet? Drop your choice in the comments below, and let's see which flavor reigns supreme. Also, got a killer keto snack hack? Share it with us. We're all about that snack life. Drumroll, please! It's time to unveil our pièce de résistance, the chocolate chip cookie dough peanut butter fat bombs. Look at that creamy, dreamy texture. You might need a moment alone with these. They're proof that you can have your keto and eat it too. And that's a wrap, folks. Keto Fat Bombs are not just snacks. They're game changers in your low-carb lifestyle. They're easy to make, endlessly customizable, and perfect for when you need a little something to get you through the day or night. Whether you're just starting your keto journey or you're a seasoned pro, these fat bombs are about to become your new obsession. Trust me, once you go keto bomb, you never go back. Did you love these recipes? Smash that like button and hit subscribe for more delicious low-carb goodies. And hey, don't keep all this yumminess to yourself. Share your thoughts in the comments and check out our other videos for more keto magic. If you're looking for more ways to elevate your keto game, head over to shop.bitevault.co.in for digital goodies that will blow your mind. Until next time, snack smart, snack often, and keep it keto. And here's a dark little secret. People think dieting means suffering. But with these fat bombs, the only thing suffering will be your scale. But hey, what the scale doesn't know won't hurt it, right?